You know how to work with your body. And just because your body is able to deliver a lot of performance, it doesn't mean you are able to handle your emotions. It doesn't mean you understand what impact the mind has on yourself.
Qigong Yi often teaches that many people spend their entire lives trying to change their external circumstances, believing that once everything outside becomes perfect, they will finally feel peaceful. But the truth is that if your mind remains trapped, even the most comfortable life can feel like a prison. Inner freedom begins when you understand what is actually controlling you. Most people believe they are making their own decisions, but look carefully. How many decisions are influenced by fear? How many actions come from the need for approval? How often do you avoid something because you are afraid of failure, criticism, rejection, or embarrassment? These invisible forces can become the walls of your internal prison. And the strange thing is that these walls are often created by your own mind.
What is the most peaceful and pleasant state of the heart? Actually, I said it already. Peaceful and loving. Peaceful and loving, all encompassing, which means your heart has the quality to embrace quite a lot of things. If the heart is separated, or if the heart is, let's say, sinking in terms of separation, again, we are finding ourselves in the world of separation, which means there is conflict. But when we point towards the heart, this is also where in many traditions it's related to the idea of love, and love simply spreads everywhere, similar like the picture of the sun. Doesn't matter who it is, the sun shines equally for everyone. And this is that inner quality related to the heart. So you can fight and you can defend and you can be in physical conflict on the one side, but the quality that you also possess, you can also have or sense that everything is connected and everything belongs together.
You may be physically free, yet mentally trapped by what happened 5 years ago. Someone hurt you, betrayed you, rejected you, or disappointed you. The event ended long ago, but every time you remember it, you experience the pain again. The past is no longer happening, but your mind keeps bringing it into the present. This is why inner freedom requires awareness. You cannot become free from something you cannot see. Imagine that someone says something insulting to you. Immediately, anger appears. Your first instinct may be to react. You want to defend yourself, attack the person, or prove them wrong. But between what happened and your reaction, there is a small space. That space is extremely powerful.
This time stance a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere in between. Okay, then hands, fist to the front, and from here. Inhale, exhale, in and out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Sideways 36 times. Here. Let's go. 1, out. 2, 3.
This exercise will strengthen your lungs and open the rib cage.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax just a moment. And again, when you are going down and you start to inhale, so when you are about to go into the posture which needs energy because it's exhausting, so we need energy. That's why in this exercise, when you go down and you need the energy, that's why I inhale into the posture. Yeah, when I don't need the power anymore, then I release, I breathe out, I stand up. So again, 18 repetition. Second round, we make 3 more rounds. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 or 4. From here, in, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This will heal kidney fatigue, which comes from stress and fear.
9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And release a moment. Yeah, relax a moment. So breathe. Yeah, we're gonna make 1 more round. So now in this second repetition, you realize that at the end I started to slow down the movement, and that also means if the movement and the breathing is synchronized, that means your breath also must become more slow, yeah, which is at the moment all about the ability of yourself. How can you regulate your breath? And as I mentioned earlier, if I need the power, I need the breath. So it's something about regulating. So right now, the first 9 repetitions, we go normal speed, and then you try to slow down the complete process. It's like you're making slow motion within yourself. And go. 1, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now slow down. Inhale, exhale, 2,
It builds foundational life force energy that supports
out, 3, out, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8. 9. 'Okay. Relax the legs.